Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power is off. This protects you and the fixture. Once done, use a voltage tester to verify no live current at the socket. Don't assume the switch alone cuts power. Make sure the replacement bulb matches the fixture's rating, and position a stable ladder so you can work with both hands free. Prepare tools within reach so you can move smoothly. Short prep now prevents interruptions and reduces risk while you begin the repair. Once the cover is off, inspect the socket and wiring closely. Corrosion, melted plastic, or loose screws indicate component failure. You test the socket with a known good bulb and the voltage tester to determine whether the issue is the bulb, the socket, or upstream wiring. If the socket or switch is damaged, replace it with matching gauge wire and proper connectors. Make secure screw and wire nut connections. Take your time here because a clean repair prevents repeated failures. You finish by reassembling the fixture and restoring power while watching closely for flicker, buzzing, or excessive heat. These clues tell you if something remains wrong. Make sure all fittings are tightened and covers are secure. Label the circuit if helpful for later. If the light still fails, reset the breaker and recheck upstream wiring, and if problems persist, call a licensed electrician. Do not continue probing live circuits. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.